Antetokounmpo. Antete. It's so hard to pronounce. Antetokounmpo. I think I got it right. Antetokounmpo. Antetokounmpo. Well, on this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the Nike Air Zoom Freak 1 by Giannis Antetokounmpo. What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles in Sneakers. As I mentioned, we will be unboxing these. So let's jump right into it. This is the Nike Air Zoom Freak 1 and definitely the most highly anticipated sneakers this July. And having said that, let's jump right into the sneakers. Definitely, the looks itself, I don't know about you guys, but for me, this is really fire. Look at it. I mean, it's very simple. At the same time, you have a very huge swoosh over here, which I really like. You know, definitely this really caught my attention when I saw the leaked photos. I definitely love this design. However, not everyone likes it. I mean, I don't know. Some people are hating on this reverse swoosh, but the price of these sneakers is actually at $120, which is actually quite pricey compared to other first signature release sneakers. I remember when Paul George released his first signature sneakers, it was only about 100 or 110 US dollars. However, he was not the MVP of the NBA. Giannis, he's the MVP, so probably that's the reason why the price is a little bit higher. There's nothing much going on in these sneakers in terms of premium material. There's no premium material at all. Tech-wise, it's just basic and normal. But of course, the look itself, I mean, for me, yeah, I've said it so many times already. I really love these sneakers. Anyway, moving on to the upper. The upper is just plain textile with some fuse overlay on the toe area over here and the swoosh branding on the medial side. The laces are just basic. There's mesh over here on the counter, and basically that's it for the upper. On the midsole, you have this big reverse swoosh over here. This is basically made out of Phylon rubber, which is, I mean, very basic, nothing much. And on the sole, you have this clear sole over here. And on the heel side, where you can see the Zoom Air unit, which is actually double stacked. Nike boasts freakish speed, power, and control. And I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, for freakish speed, it is very damn light. This is definitely one of the lightest sneakers amongst all the signature sneakers that was released. I mean, it's definitely lighter than LeBron, because LeBron, I think, is the heaviest sneakers. PG also. Kyrie, I mean, the KDs are light, but this is even lighter. It also features 4-foot lockdown, which is actually because of these two lace loops that you can see here. It actually goes through until the sole. So basically, there's a support on both sides that keeps your feet on lockdown. Apart from that, there's a support from this rubber, as you can see. Nike learned already from what happened to Zion Williamson. That's why they put something on the lateral side. On the sole, actually, they have a multi-directional traction pattern, which provides grip for quick stops and sudden change of direction. A section of the outsole is actually inspired to remember the father of Giannis, which actually passed away a few years ago. As you can see, this is the rose pattern over here. This rubber actually extends a little bit longer than the normal to provide more lateral support. The ankle collar is heavily padded to give you more lockdown on your heel. This padding is only on the heel side, and the rest of the sneakers is actually very thin, which is actually good when you're wearing it as a lifestyle sneakers because it's not going to be too hot. The heel counter is basically this large swoosh over here and this rubber that extends over here. So basically, this is the one that will support your heel. So overall, these sneakers is really dope. I like the design, I like how it looks, I like how it feels when you wear it on foot. Although like what I said, it's a little bit pricey, but I mean, come on. Nowadays, all the sneakers is like over 150 US dollars. Very rare you will see a sneaker which is under 150 US dollars. So at 120 US dollars, this is actually quite good already. You can wear them for basketball, definitely, because it's a good performance sneakers. And of course, you can also wear them for lifestyle. Since it's low cut, and like I mentioned earlier, it's not too heavily padded on the forefoot. So yeah, I mean, definitely a must-have sneakers. I mentioned earlier that these sneakers have double stack air zoom units on the heel side, which is actually very good because you can really feel the zoom unit when you step on it. Very rare for me to feel the zoom units when I wear them, but definitely this one, you can really feel it. This sneakers was overall inspired by Giannis's family, which I'll be discussing in detail on our next video when we feature the other colorway of the Nike Air Zoom Freak 1. So enough of the talking, and now I think it's time to show you guys how it look on feet. So guys, do you like how it look on feet? Definitely, it's very light. You can easily wear it for casual or for lifestyle, and at the same time, you can play basketball with it. So I really love these sneakers. I definitely gonna beat this a lot, and I'm actually thinking of doing my own design using Nike by You. Before we end this video, I just want to remind you guys that we have two ongoing giveaways. First one is the Lifestyles and Sneakers t-shirt, which we will give away on Sunday. But guys, I urge you to follow all the mechanics because so far I think only a couple of you have followed it and shared the videos. Please follow the mechanics carefully. I'll be putting it down in the description box down below so you can have a chance to be the lucky subscriber that will take home these Lifestyles and Sneakers 3M Reflective Print t-shirts. Our second giveaway is the Air Jordan 1 Defiant Couture. It will run until July 20. So guys, please push for it. If we reach 10,000 watch minutes on the Air Jordan 1 Defiant Couture video, we will be giving away Dutch sneakers and announce the lucky subscriber on July 21. So guys, again, follow the mechanics which is on the description box down below. So please make sure to follow it carefully so you can have a chance to win this Air Jordan 1 Defiant. Like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.